schedule. It's like 10:40 something. I just woke up. Okay, so it's a little bit later, I think. I don't know what time it is. I just cleaned my room, and I know it doesn't look clean, like ignore the bed, but I cleaned the floor a little bit, and I'm about to clean that up. But I want to vacuum it because there's a lot of stuff over here. Like there are a bunch of like needles and stuff that I got to pick up and everything because, you know, I sew. And I think I'm gonna sew today. So yeah. Basically bringing my piano back in my room. I kind of stopped writing music around December because I don't know. I don't know, man. I really couldn't tell you. Yeah, I used to write music so much in 2019 because I don't know, I was just writing songs left and right, and I just kind of stopped doing it. But I recently found my songwriting journal, and I have been looking at a lot of my old songs, and I really like them. Like, they're so good. I kind of snapped, but I miss doing it, so I think I'm gonna start trying to write a song today because I'm bored. I don't have anything better to do. Again. Maybe it's not that bad. I keep wanting to go sharp this time. Maybe it's not that bad. I just don't know what I had. No, 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 no. Used to have. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. Maybe it's not that bad. I miss what I used to have. 6, 7, 8, dun, dun. Baby, it's not that bad. I miss what I used to have. No, 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 no. Then I'm just so sad. I want them back. I can't have them. No, 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 no. Okay, hi. So I just want to come on here and say I just hit 300 subs and I'm in shock. Thank you so much. That's insane. Yeah, thank you so much for sticking, and yeah, I don't know what to say. Oh my God.